DP Tutoring welcomes you to this low-demand AQA Chemistry Paper 1 question from the June 2022 series for the Foundation Tier students. This question is on the Group 1 elements. I will allow you to work through most of the questions without much support. Pause the video and check your understanding as you go through it. Part 2 of the question provides you with the atomic structure of a lithium atom. AQA gives you some guidance by placing the X on the shells and inside the nucleus some solid circles and circles with a plus inside. Use your knowledge and read off the information regarding the number of electrons and neutrons. Use the charges of an atom to help you here. Part 3 of the question asks you what is the charge of a lithium ion. Now, you need to know how ions are formed. Pause the video and review how ions are formed before you continue. Part 5 of the question asks you to read off the graph and give the melting point for cesium. Pause the video and read the data off the graph before you continue. Part 6 of the question asks you to draw the value for potassium. Most students ignore this type of question. Pay attention to similar questions in your examination and don't lose unnecessary marks. Part 7 of the question asks you to describe the trend of the melting points of Group 1 elements. Use your periodic table and the graph to write what you see in terms of the size of the bars representing the elements in Group 1.
Thanks for watching. Remember to follow, share and leave a comment. Link to my website is in the bio for more information. Thanks for watching.